there, this is Sophie from Cooking Experiences and welcome to the Quick Basics series. This is episode number 4 and today we are going to make nice cream. Nice cream is a new recipe from the new collection Kids in the Kitchen that you can find on the Cookadoo platform, and it is a kind of ice cream made only with bananas. And I'm going to show you also how to make a chocolate version of it, so let's get right to it. In order to do this recipe, you will need about 5 bananas, peeled, cut into pieces, like this, and frozen. Put them overnight into the freezer and they will be ready for the next day. For the chocolate variation, I will just be using cacao powder, so no sugar at all involved. I can find my recipe into the Cookadoo platform. Just with a slide on my screen, I can access the Cookadoo and search for nice cream. Search. There is my recipe. I just have to click on it and I'm ready to cook. Let's start cooking. I'm going to divide my recipe in 2 portions, one for the natural flavor of banana and the other one for the chocolate version. Let's do the natural one. This is over. Let's have a look. Wow, my bananas are smashed. So we recommend to use good ripe bananas for that recipe, so it will have more flavor and the ice cream will be the nice cream will be sweeter. And now I'm ready to enjoy. Here is the texture. So this is really a nice alternative to any frozen dessert. Look at this. It's very rich in taste, very good, and it's very similar to an ice cream. So no sugar, no lactose, vegan. I mean, what do you want to ask more? A nice treat. Let's do the chocolate version now. So let's redo the recipe with the chocolate version. I'm gonna go back on my screen, add my bananas. I will add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Just a quick look. Pressing next. And now 15 seconds, speed 8. Let's do it again. Surprise! What do we have? Wow! Isn't it nice? So, this is the nice chocolate ice cream, banana ice cream. I'm going to try this right away. Very nice mix of flavor between the chocolate and the banana. And you can add as much chocolate as you want in it, I mean cocoa powder, to have a richer taste, or as little as you want, just to have a hint of the flavor. So I hope you will try this recipe. This is very easy and quick, as you could see. It takes just minutes. All you need to do is have frozen bananas ready in your freezer all the time, so you can just go grab them and make your little nice cream right away. This is gluten-free, sugar-free, cream-free, I mean lactose-free, vegan. I mean, it has all the advantages of frozen dessert without all the inconvenience. You can also follow me on the social medias, Facebook and YouTube, Cooking Experiences, and on Instagram, TMX Cooking Experiences. I hope I see you soon for my next episode, and enjoy the ice cream. Bye bye.